Hi, Matt. Do you want to learn how to do the crochet braids instead of sitting for hours and hours to get your hair braided with the box braids? Okay, well, I went out and I bought this packet of hair. It's crochet, original brand, 14-inch box braids. It's only $4.99. And I'm going to crochet them instead of sitting for hours and hours to get my hair braided. Now I have already braided the hair, and you see right here I started some of the crocheting already. I braided into a swirl, as you can see. And what I do on the outside in front of the hair, I kind of leave some of the hair out because I take a braid and I braid it in with this hair to just make it look like it's more natural, or it's really box braids. So I've already put one crochet here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the other one. All right. Okay. Hold this for me. So what I do is I just this is how they look out of the package here. They look simple, have a loop, long, simple loop. And I'm just going to put one here just to show you how it goes. It's very simple. Just put the crochet through here. Put the crochet needle here and see the hoop. And you put the loop, close the crochet needle, pull it through. Now some people will put the crochet needle through this, but sometimes it pulls at that hair, and it's very easy to just pull it through and just pull it out, and it's simple as that. So what I do is I take one of these and I unravel it, and it ends up looking like this. Just a simple unraveled crochet braid. And the hair that I left down on the side, remember that hair that I was telling you that I left down all here? I'm just going to take it and blend it in. Okay, so I take this side piece and I just braid it in with the side, just like you would do a real braid. I am just going to show you. So it would look like a real braid on the it would look like a real braid on the in the front of the hair. at the root. So this is how the braid would look. And I would keep on braiding it down like so, just so it can look like they are boxed braids, but they're really not box braids. That's a neat trick. So I would do the whole front part like that, this whole area, from one side to another. But I would crochet this entire area of the hair. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and crochet the entire area of the hair, since I already showed you how to put the crochet braid in here. Again, you see you can really, it's a loop and it's easy for you to take down and easy for you to pull it back up. And I'm going to do the entire head and come back. Again, just one more crochet braid, and I'm going to show you. I don't go all the way in the hair. I just take it here, hook it, close the hook, bring it down, and then I take mine and pull it through. Simple as that. And then you just pull it. And there you have the crochet braid. Okay guys, I've already finished my second row of the braiding, and actually I'm on the second bag of the Eve Hair African Nature brand collection, Poetic Justice collection. This is a fun tip for me. I don't put a lot of hair or crochets down here on the bottom row because I feel like the hair will be too heavy if we do that. So I just put maybe like 8 of them on this row. And then I make sure that I put the right amount on the top rows, the middle row, the top row, and then the front. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm finished. And so as you can see, she can pull it out to the side and wear it to the side if she like. She can wear it all going to the back. And this is what I was telling you. I did the individual braids, and here are the crochets. And these are the individual ones to just look like around the edges, to just look like she really has real box braids instead of all crochet. Okay, thank you. I'm going to put down in the comments what kind of hair we use, and I also use the black beeswax around the around the edges. Thank you so much. Bye.